Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify Google Tag Manager. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First, what you need to do is you can head over to your online store and there you have this preferences. Once you head over to that, you will see that we have Google Analytics and all that stuff, but by default we do not have Google Tag Manager. So you gotta incorporate that either using your apps section. You can see, simply head over to that and search in here for, I'm sorry about that, Google. And once we do that, you have various options related to Google. So some of them are going to be available in here. If you cannot find your tags, you can incorporate it directly from Google Tags Manager website. So it is actually quite simple as well. If you want to learn more, let us know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.